Hi Ruchi, how are you?
I'm good. And what about you?
I'm also good. And
My name is Ruchi. I'm from Chhatarpur, and Chhatarpur is close to Bageshwar Dham. I believe you must have heard about Bageshwar Dham because these days Bageshwar Dham is very famous, and each and every people knows about Bageshwar Dham. And apart from this, if I talk about my qualifications, so I did graduation, and I am a mother of two kids. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I enjoy stitching the most. So that's the bit about me. And may I know about you, Deepika?
sure. I'm Deepika. I'm from Haryana and I hold master's degree in commerce. Previously, I worked as a commerce teacher, but right now I'm a completely homemaker. Alongside
Yeah,
managing my home and kids, I also run a small YouTube channel, English with Deepika, where I share my solo video and conversational video too. Talk about my hobbies. So yeah, nowadays I'm fascinated by this language. So nowadays I'm working on my English speaking skills as well as communication skills too. And yeah, I love to listen music. And nowadays I'm built a new habit to talk to meet to strangers and talk to them. And I learned a lot of things from that thing. So that's a little bit about me.
yeah. So can I know which type of music do you like to listen?
Okay. The music which feels me more, you can say, relaxed. Okay.
Okay, calm and compose. Yeah,
Yeah, it's up to my mind actually.
yeah.
Whenever I
Sometimes
feel,
you feel like you have to listen some means chickeny chameli types of song. Sometimes,
yeah,
yeah. Some,
if I want to like having want to do dance, and yeah, I also play this kind of
yeah,
song.
yeah,
Most of the time I play a soft and calm and compose like
yeah. If I talk about me, so I like Haryanvi song the most because on Haryanvi song we can dance. Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
and their dance step is very easy.
You
Yeah,
you said that. Yeah,
yeah.
you're right. Okay,
Okay.
I'm really curious about to know when did you start your journey and how and who will you know inspire you to start
Hmm.
your journey.
Yeah.
Please tell me about
Okay.
something.
Yeah. So I would definitely give the answer of this question because somewhere many people are facing the same problem which I faced earlier. So I I think each and means most of the people will get to know okay from where I have to start this journey so that I can enhance my English. So the journey had started when my son was in UKG. So that time my English was means I didn't know even how to make any simple sentence. So I noticed one thing when my son was studying. So my son was completely unable to understand his books. So this thing started wondering me, and I thought all of sudden I have to learn this language no matter what, no matter how many difficulties would I face. Because I used to think in my childhood I faced a lot of problem because of this English. When it came to give the exam of English, so I I knew only that I knew only this thing that time. Okay, to the principal and we have to write the subject and we have to write the I am suffering from fever, and by crammed the English. I
Yeah,
crammed the each and every question answers and application and essay. I crammed a lot, and by cramming, I passed my schooling and my college. I passed like this that exam. So I want my child that he doesn't need to cram their subject, his subject. That is because I started learning this language. And I can see now, I can see the miracle changes in my child. My child is in second class and he knows each and everything. Means before making the chapter done by ma'am, he always done the chapter by himself.
Oh,
And first he reads the chapter and he tries to solve the question answers. And he is able to do this thing right now.
great. That's great.
So so this is the big achievement for me. And now he is capable to speak English, and not that much, but he understand everything, and gradually and steadily, I believe he will definitely learn each and everything.
Yes,
Because
definitely.
from where I belong, so there is no atmosphere in English. Nobody speaks English. So
Yeah.
this is the big problem. But I am happy that. And one day, what happened? My son was saying to me, "Mama, thank you." I asked why. To my son said to me, "Mama, you did great job to teach me this language English." Because he was playing video game on mobile phone, and while playing mobile phone, English comes in between. And understand the English is easy, is make easy to play video game. So that is
Okay.
because he was saying to me like this. Yeah,
That's nice. That's nice. Okay.
yeah,
So I want to ask one thing. Now in this session, I want to discuss about the grammar. Okay.
okay.
So yeah, because you already know most of the beginners watched my video, so that's why I want to
Yeah,
ask some questions regarding grammar. Okay. So please tell me which grammar topic, no, do
yeah,
you beginners want to learn?
okay,
Okay, because you already know. Okay, before this question, I want to ask one more question. Okay, firstly, so please tell me, what do you think about the grammar rule is more important or not while speaking?
okay. So if you don't have atmosphere, so uh, it is my suggestion for each and every viewers. If you have to learn English by your own, so you have to first uh, try to make simple sentences. You just have to know this thing. Okay, if I have to create any sentence, if I have to make any sentence, so how should I make this sentence? So first you have to thing in your mind. There is a subject, and according to subject we have to put a helping verb. And if you are able to do this thing, subject and choose the helping verb, you will definitely learn this language. So first of
Yeah,
all, when I was learning this language, so I have some structures. I had some structures in my mind. I have to speak this sentence. Yes, I am a boy. So I always used to speak this sentence. I am a boy. If I have to speak negative sentence, I am not a boy. Am I a good boy? Am I not a good boy? Why am I a good boy? Why am I not a good boy? So like this, I practiced a lot, and this thing helped me a lot. If I talk about model verbs, so model verbs, in model verbs, making sentence is very easy because there is no plural or singular. If the subject is plural, then you have to put the can. If the subject is singular, so then you have to put the can. There is no change in model verbs with the model verbs. So this thing helped me a lot, and I learned a lot. So if comes to teach anybody, so I apply the same method, because this method helped me a lot, and I believe everybody will definitely help from this method. And we
okay,
have to need to practice the sentences.
okay, well
Yeah,
explained. Okay,
yeah,
so tell me which grammar topic do
yeah.
beginners, want to learn English? Because
Okay.
if every suppose because grammar is a, you already know everyone
Hmm.
is not perfect in a grammar. Okay, so
Yeah.
which part is most important and most usable in our conversation? So which part do you prefer to learn first?
Okay, so first of all, if you are really beginner, so you have to start your sentences. You have to just start to make the sentences from the simple sentences. Means verb of to be. You have to make the first of all sentences verb of to be. Yes, I am a boy. I was a boy. I will be a boy. I will be a good boy. Like this. These are the simple sentences. You have to make the affirmative sentences, negative sentences, interrogative sentences. So first you have to be perfect in these sentences. After,
So
yeah.
I want to ask
So this is
I want to ask that. I mean to you want to say that the grammar in the
Mhm.
grammar portion tense is very
Mhm.
important to
No,
start
these are not.
conversation.
No, these are not sentences. These are the just the simple structure. This
Okay.
is the
You are
basic
talking
English.
about
Yeah, this is
you are talking about only structures, not a
yeah,
whole
yeah.
tense tense.
No, tense is the different thing. Tense, if I speak, I sleep, I drink. If I talk about continuous tense, I am going. I am talking to you right now. So this is the tense. But I am not talking about tense. This is the very simple sentences which can help us to build our confidence because we are lacking in these sentences. These are the simple sentences. Tense is the different thing. Yeah.
Okay, according to your explanation, I think
Mm.
I started with a model. I started with a
Yeah.
model. I'm not aware of that, like because I'm still now I am making mistakes, a lot making mistakes in a grammar portion. Okay, but
Yeah.
because whenever I'm having conversation, I use some particular structures, or these are belongs to directly models. Okay, so
Yeah.
you are right. Models are very, you can say, easy to use because here
Yeah.
no any other used to any other rules regarding singular and plural and not and like that. Okay, it's very simple. So you are saying right. I'm also started with the modal verb. So according to me,
Mm.
modal verbs is you can say is a easy portion of a grammar. After then you
It's
go
a very
and
easy person.
yeah,
Yeah.
and you can go with a simple sentences, and yeah, you can cream the sentence structure firstly, then you
Yeah.
practice
Yeah.
the particular structure.
Yeah, definitely. And one more thing I want to share with you, Deepika. Every model word takes the base form from
Yeah,
itself. So if
yeah,
we are making the sentences with the action verb, means for example, I can learn this language. मैं ये इंग्लिश सीख सकती हूँ. तो मैंने क्या हेल्पिंग मैंने कहने के बाद एक वर्ब की बेस फॉर्म लगाई है लर्न खाना पीना उठना बैठना. These are the simple verbs. Okay,
yeah.
so these are the action verbs. Whichever action we do in our life, so these are the action verb. And there is the different topic means if you you don't have anything if you, and you are give the suggestion with anybody, so you can make the sentences with the help of the modal verb can. I'm taking the modal verb can here. Okay, you can have a mobile phone. आपके पास एक मोबाइल फोन हो सकता है. So have is again a base form. Okay, have means होना. आपके पास हो सकता है. So this is the structure of have. Yeah, and the second sentence, you can be a good boy. तुम एक अच्छी बच्ची बन सकते हो. So be is also a base form. So we have to make the sentences with be, have, and the remaining helping verb means uh, eat, sleep, jump, bath, take a bath, like this. So these are the simple verbs which we have to use. Yeah.
And okay, tell me, how do you usually practice of grammar? Because it's sometimes it's very quite hard to
Yeah.
while having conversation you use a correct grammar. Okay, everyone easily learn grammar portion, but it's hard to use
Yeah.
on our conversation. So how do you
Yeah.
practice for that?
Yeah, Deepika, I told you, I shared you earlier this thing. We have to practice in this way. If we are making a affirmative sentence, we have to make the negative sentence. Yeah.
Okay, I'm agree with
Mm,
you. You are
mm.
but suppose you now you are having conversation. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
how to put these rules? How to remember all these rules while
Okay.
having
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
conversation?
Okay, now I got it. So while conversation, it doesn't come in overnight, all one overnight. Okay, each and everything takes time. And if you are practicing from now you are practicing, so it will take 1 or 2 months to understand this thing. Okay, I have to speak this sentence in English, I don't have to speak this sentence in Hindi. First you have to, if you are really beginner and you don't have atmosphere, you have to first translate the sentence in your mind. Yes, I can do it, मैं ये कर सकता हूँ. Yeah, and after that you don't have to speak this thing, मैं ये कर सकता हूँ. You have to speak, instead of speaking Hindi you have to speak, yes, I can do this. You have to translate the thing in your mind, and then you have to speak, yes, I can do it, I can do it, yes, I can do it. Then you will be fluent. And the other sentences, yes, I have done this, मैंने ये कर लिया है. हिंदी में फर्स्ट यू हैव टू थिंक इन हिंदी, एंड देन यू हैव टू ट्रांसलेट द सेंटेंस. आई हैव डन, आई हैव डन.
Okay,
नाउ
according to
if
your
if
explanation.
yeah,
So
yeah,
according to your
if
explanation, yeah, yeah. Okay,
mm,
go ahead.
if you speak the same sentence 8 to 10 times, it will definitely get stuck in your mind. Then after 10 or 8 or 10 times, you don't need to frame the sentence, means you don't need to convert the sentence Hindi to English. It will automatically uh, will come from your mouth in the in English.
Yeah, you are right.
So
You are
this is
right.
the reason. Yeah. Mm.
Thank you for
Yeah, please.
sharing your way how to learn grammar rule, how to use it, because it's very big issue, you can say.
Yeah,
while
it is very good. Yeah.
whenever whenever we learn this language, it's a very big issue. uh,
Mm.
which portion is most important, which is easy for our conversation, how to
Yeah.
learn and how to use it our conversation. Okay.
Yeah. Mm.
Okay. So, do you have any questions from me?
Uh, yeah, I have a question. Learning it. Because I learned English through grammar. And what about you? How did you learn this language?
Yeah, okay, that's a good question because I
Mm.
also started with the grammar. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
and I also learned tenses and models and all that thing. But
Mm.
after learn these things, after learn grammar rule, at the time I was not able to speak because at the time I hadn't
Yeah.
confidence at the time.
Mm.
So whenever I started to speak in front of the camera and talk to myself, I always stuck because I always recall the grammar rules. I'm saying right and wrong right now.
Mm.
Like
Mm.
these things stop me
Mm.
at the time, stopped me to speak fluent. You can say continue. Okay.
Yeah.
After some time, I realized no, you are not wrong. You are not you can say right track because
Yeah.
after learning grammar you're not able